Sorry guys, but you're a real douchebag when you're having this on your door.
Morning guys, peace from the longboard. I'm actually right now in Pointsheim, downhill. This is the way I'm going. The style how I'm going. Yeah. I'm actually on my way right now to the fitness center just to get some training going, to get some muscles on. I love longboarding. You shouldn't drive through water with your longboard. Oh fuck my life, because it's gonna look like that. And that's dirty stuff. My hand's actually dirty right now. So, but yeah, whatever. So later on I'm gonna be editing the videos from the day before yesterday and yesterday. And I'm gonna go to the Xmas market. I'm gonna try and take her to the cinema today. Look at my hand. This is so disgusting. Because today the new Star Wars movie is gonna come out. And I wanna watch that. Too cool for school. That's actually it. I'm gonna talk to you later. So yeah, I'm on the train right now to the center of the city. And this is my breakfast. Maybe you know this already. This is bulgur salad with hummus on top, and some steaks, and some vitamins for the start of the day. We arrived right now at McFit, and yeah, we're gonna go and exercise a little bit here. Gym right now, actually heading home, almost there. Gonna start and cut the videos from yesterday and the day before. So one tip for you guys, so it's very important. Again, if you're having a date and you have to take a special bus which departs at some certain time, always get out of your house at time so you get the bus. Because if you don't, you have to hurry. Like me, and probably maybe you won't get the bus. That's happened to me yesterday, but not today. I learned from it. And that counts actually double if you gotta get the tickets for Star Wars, and they expire at a certain time if you don't get them by time, and that's why you have to hurry and be on time always. I just got the tickets, so still I have still to wait for half an hour for my date to come. But first thing I gotta do is get my hair fresh. So I get to go to somewhere where they have some things for the hair, because I don't have any more, because I was in stress and I forgot it at home. So yeah, whatever. Hair game is too important to let it pass, man. So now, as you can see, the hair game is strong again. And I'm gonna meet her in like 1 minute. I'm a little bit like nervous. If you are not nervous before a date, you're doing something wrong. If you don't feel any emotions before a date, you're doing something wrong, okay? Then you're emotionally cold-hearted, and there's something big missing in your game.
Ich könnte dazu auch mein Handy rausnehmen, um einen Spiegel zu haben. Filmst du?
Ja.
Ich brauche keinen Spiegel.
Say something cool in English.
Ich kann kein Englisch.
Kannst kein Englisch?
Gut.
Okay.
Going to the movie. Like really good. So what are we going to do right now?
Jetzt home.
At home. No, we're not gonna go home right now. We're gonna go to the Xmas market and drink something. Maybe, we'll see.
Ciao.
Some a little bit more, please.
Ciao, come stai? Es ist voll von Vorteil, einfach hier stehen zu bleiben. Mitten in der Menge.
Ja, du hast so recht. You have to talk in English so my viewers can understand you if you want to. Actually, we're under the Christmas tree. Yay! Look at the Christmas tree. The ugliest Christmas tree of the world. We're getting fucked up. Yeah. So actually, I met two Japanese girls, and
Ich weiß jetzt gar nicht, was was.
next time I will show you when I see them how the original blank choke move works. Cheers.
Jetzt sag schon mal.
Yeah. I'm gonna present you the how to tutorial, how to do the original Japanese choke move, and she's gonna film it.
No.
She will. Yeah. Let's go over there.
Foto, ja?
Als ob, Junge, als ob, du Elende. like the carousel time's already over, but she wanted to sit on it like a little girl, like a cute little girl. Yeah. Actually, she is the first one who doesn't care that I'm filming her, because she told me ain't nobody's watching this shit anyway. Like, she's right with that. So guys, check this. It's called gebratener Reis with chicken. Interesting day today, I know.
Today I want to explain to you where the polo in Marko Polo comes from. Many people are confused by that. They think I call myself Marko Polo because of the Marko Polo. That's actually not the case.